Hello viewers, so today we want to talk about a certain maths problem that is usually very challenging to some of us. So we are talking about fractions. So some of us already know how to work out fractions. Some they know, but there's still confusion on how to work some of the fractions right. So join me as we work out this maths problem up to the end. So if you know how to work it out, kindly comment your answers on the comment section. So let's start. So we have 2 and 3 over 4 minus 1 over 2 of 4 over 5 divided by 2 over 3. So this one is a fraction. So how do we work out this fraction? So what's the solution? So before we work it out, we have some of the operations that we need to check. We have the subtraction, we have of, then you also have division. So what does this one means? So let's now kick start with the solution. So I want us to work it out within the shortest time possible. So the first thing that you need to do, there is this thing that is called the PEMDAS or the BODMAS. Allow me to use the BODMAS. It is that thing that will allow us to work out the order of operations within the shortest time possible. And we want to explain the order of operations in details. Now, so when we have this BODMAS, B stands for the bracket. When we check our operations, there is no bracket. So then now we move to the next one. Of means of. So we are supposed to work out the of first. And what is of? 1 over 2, this one. 1 over 2 of 4 over 5. So all these ones shall remain the same, and we shall work out of the first thing. So we shall have 2 whole 3 over 4 there, then minus 1 over 2 or a half. So of here means multiplication. So instead of writing of, we are going to multiply this number by 4 over 5. Then divide by, so write the division sign, 2 over 3. So that is what we shall have gotten. We've just changed of to multiplication. So don't forget that of always means multiplication. So let's move ahead and now say that now we shall have 2 whole and 3 over 4 there. Then from there we shall say minus. So I want us to work out this 1 over 2 times 4 over 5. So we can as well cancel it and say that 2 here once, 2 goes into 4 twice. So now we remain with 1 times 2, which is 2, all over 1 times 5, which is 5. Then divide by 2 over 3. Divide by 2 over 3. So what's the next step? So don't work out your own way, because the next step what will guide us is D. And what does D stands for? D stands for the division. So we need to work out the division. Now we are having the division here, so let's work it out. So this means that now we shall write 2 whole and 3 over 4, then minus, so we shall have to divide 2 over 5, divide by 2 over 3. So we shall write 2 over 5. So instead of writing divide by, we are going to write multiplication. Then once we write the multiplication sign, this 2 over 3 will change, meaning that we shall find the reciprocal of 2 over 3, and the reciprocal of 2 over 3 is 3 over 2. So always find the reciprocal when you're working out division sign. Before you change 3 over 2, or before you find the reciprocal of 3 over 2, change the sign of division to multiplication. So let's proceed, and now we are now able to say, now we are having 2 whole and 3 over 4, then minus, so let's work out this one, 2 here once, 2 here once. So now we shall have 1 times 3, which is 3 over 5. So we shall have 2 whole 3 over 4 minus 3 over 5. So what do we do in this case? So what we do in this case, now the last bit, we are going to find the LCM of 4 and 5. Okay? So meaning that what you are going to be left with, we are just going to say now, this 2 is a whole number, So we shall write whole number separate, that is 2. Then after writing 2, then we shall now find the LCM of 4 and 5. And the LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. So now we shall check 4 goes into 20 how many times? And we shall find that 4 goes into 25 times, and 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. So we shall have our 15 minus 5 goes into 20. Same way, 5 goes into 20 3 times. Sorry, not 3 but 4 times. And 4 times 3 is 12. Remember we had 2 whole, and this 12 will be put on this other side. Now we are having 15 minus 12. And 15 minus 12, our result is 3. So this one is equals to this 2 whole. We carry 2 whole with us. 15 minus 12 over 15 minus 12 over 20. So now when you work it out, there now we shall say, now we are having 2 whole, then 15 minus 12 is 3 out of 20. So that one now becomes our correct answer. So if you happens to get 2 whole in 3 over 20, you got it right, thumbs up. So if at all you're having a challenges of working out, now you know how to work it out. So let's stop there and see you in our next video.